Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We put the x go to the right, 1 plus y squared will go to the left. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of number 1, we have y. The integration of y squared, we have y to the power of 3 over 3. This one we have x to the power of 3 over 3. And we put about c. Now we have the conditions. That means when s equal to number 0, y equal to number 2. Now we put the value in here to find the value of c. And now we need to simplify. And we got about 14 over 3. And now we put this number go in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.